Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight on a Toyota Tacoma. First, gather your tools: a 10mm socket wrench, a flathead screwdriver, and your new headlight bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off for safety. This simple method will help you get your Tacoma's lighting back to optimal performance quickly and efficiently. Let's get started with the first step. Now that you have your tools ready, open the hood of your Tacoma. You'll see two 10mm bolts at the top of the headlight assembly. Remove these. Next, locate and carefully pry out the two plastic clips that also secure the top of the assembly. Once these are removed, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It should slide out of its lower mounting points with a little effort, giving you full access. With the headlight assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. First, twist the electrical connector counterclockwise to detach it from the bulb housing. Then, carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. When inserting the new bulb, handle it by the plastic base only. Avoid touching the glass, as oils from your skin can significantly reduce the bulb's lifespan. Push it firmly into place until it's seated correctly. Once the new bulb is in, reattach the electrical connector by twisting it clockwise until it locks. Now, carefully slide the entire headlight assembly back into its original position, making sure the lower tabs align and seat properly. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts and the two plastic clips you removed earlier. Finally, turn on your headlights to test the new bulb and ensure everything is working correctly. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. You've successfully replaced your Tacoma's headlight.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.